Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can do the payment to your prepaid meter on BharatPe app. For that, just open the BharatPe app. So after opening the app, here we just need to, in the home page, we just need to scroll down, and in the payment section we can just see the more option right there. Just tap on the more option. So in here we just need to scroll down, and in the other section we can just see the prepaid meter option right there. Just tap on the prepaid meter option. So after that, in here we can just see a lot of prepaid meter providers right there. Just choose your whichever prepaid meter provider that you need to do the payment. After choosing that, just enter your apartment number right here. So after doing that, just tap on the continue option. So this is how you're gonna do the payment to your prepaid meter on your BharatPe app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.